friends, in my last tutorial I taught you how to create a Gmail account. So today I'm gonna show you that how will you be able to create a YouTube channel with the help of your Gmail account. So for now you have to navigate to the youtube.com, then you can see two buttons, upload and sign in, which is having a blue background. So click sign in, then you have to enter your email ID. For example, I have created mine 260. Okay, so now I'm logged in to the YouTube with my Gmail account. So let's get started. That to create a YouTube channel, click on to the left side, you see a now bar which have a drop down menu. Click it, then you can want to watch my subscription history and my channel. Click on my channel, then set up your channel on YouTube. Your name will be seen as ARNix like this. To use a business or other name, click here, add your profile photo, etc. There are a lot of stuffs out there, so let's get started and continue. Taking some time. So finally we have created our channel, a YouTube channel. So here are a few options that you can add: a profile picture. It will be done on Google Plus, because all your personal activities will be done on Google Plus. So drag your profile picture here, or you can upload it from your computer. As of now, nose and face. For example, I've chosen this one. Okay, so select the area and then set as profile picture. Okay friends, you can add a comment also, whatever you want to do, and share it over Google Plus. And finally we have done. So navigate to the YouTube, then video manager. So the next step is you have to upload videos to your YouTube channel. Okay friends, so we have done everything that how you can create a YouTube channel. In my next tutorial I'll show you that how you can verify your YouTube channel, and then how you can become partner with YouTube. After that, how you will be able to activate AdSense on your videos and monetize them, and then start earning. Okay friends, for now, take care, bye bye.